Well, because this house is a slab on stumps, it gave us the opportunity to insulate under the slab. Concrete, of course, great thermal mass, but not a very good insulator. So normally under a floor, you would use the polyester rolls between the joists, which are fantastic, but of course under this one is a galvanized tray that was used to pour the slab on top. And so very difficult to fit any kind of bulk insulation to that. So what we had to do was invent our own insulation, and we decided to use reflective insulation. So you can see here we've got foil board, 15mm foil board cut into 600mm tiles and fitted with this 25mm border on two sides. What this enabled us to do was to lap them one after the other, glue them up under the gal deck. We used the water-based liquid nails to do that, and they fitted together just like a jigsaw puzzle, making little still air pockets, which of course you need for reflective insulation to work properly. So that's what we did, and it's still there and working today.